Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make aggressive shakes in CapCut. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to import the video that you want to use and add keyframe in the first part of your video and at the last part of your video. Okay? So let me just go ahead and do that. By the way, to add keyframe, you want to click on the diamond shape at the left side of the undo button. Okay. So now what you need to do at the second keyframe is to set the opacity to 25. Okay. So, or I'm just gonna do 30. So it really depends on you. And then after that, you want to click on graphs, click on is in one. Okay, so after you've done that, what you need to do is to click on animation right here, and you want to choose the swing top right. So I think it is the middle part, so this one. So you can just go ahead and change the duration of it. It really depends on you. As you can see, that is the animation part. And for the last one is to just go ahead and unselect the video and click on effects. Click on video effects and find the shake. Okay. So now just go ahead and adjust it. So for the speed, I like to set it around 90. But it really depends on you, as I said. Intensity is around 20. Okay, so as you can see, that is the shake part. And you can just go ahead and change the duration of it and move wherever you want to put it. Okay. And now just go ahead and export your video, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.